Dear students, now we are starting third question of practice set 3.1. Question 3. Find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. Find the first term and common difference for each of the AP. Here example number 1. 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, and so on. So here we have given the AP 5, 1, minus 3 and minus 7 and so on. Here first of all we have to identify first term, second term, third term, fourth term. That means here T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1, then T3 is equal to minus 3 and T4 is equal to minus 7. Okay, then T1 means A means first term, that means A first term is 5, and then for identifying the common difference we have to find out the difference between two consecutive terms, means T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, and then we shall get common difference. Okay, so let us start now to solve. First example, in the given AP, means in the given arithmetic progression, here T1 is equal to A means first term, T1 is equal to 5, then T2 is equal to 1, then T3 is equal to minus 3, and T4 is equal to minus 7. Okay, so now here we have to find out common difference between any two consecutive terms. So for that, T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 1 minus T1 is 5, so here 1 minus 5, that means here plus and minus means different signs, so subtraction, bigger number 5 and smaller number 1, so 5 minus 1 is 4, and sign of bigger number is 5 and its sign is minus, so answer is minus 4. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Got it? Now next difference means T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is minus 3, minus T2 is 1, is equal to, let us see here the signs are same, so if there are same signs for the both numbers, then we have to add them. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and the sign is the same, means minus 4. Okay, now we have to find out next difference, means T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is minus 7 and here minus 7 minus T3 is minus 3 is equal to minus 7 and minus minus plus 3. So now you can see here minus 7 and plus 3 means different sign, so we have to subtract them. So here 7 minus 3 is 4 and the sign of bigger number, that means minus, so here minus 4. So here we can see that the difference between any two consecutive terms is minus 4, here minus 4 and also here minus 4. So here first term, so first term, that means A is equal to here 5 and common difference that means D is equal to here minus 4. Okay, so in this way we have solved our first example of question 3. Okay, now second example, the AP in decimal points, so 0.6, then 0.9, then 1.2, 1.5 and so on. Here first of all we have to identify T1, T2, T3 and T4, means first term, second term, third term and fourth term of the AP. So in the given AP, means arithmetic progression, here T1 is equal to A, that means first term 0.6, then second term T2 is equal to 0.9, then third term means T3 is equal to 1.2, and T4, that means fourth term of the AP, is equal to 1.5. Okay, now we have to find out common difference between any two consecutive terms. So here first of all T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 0.9 minus T1 is 0.6 is equal to, here I am showing you 0.9 minus 0.6 is equal to 9 minus 6 is 3, and here 0 minus 0 is 0, so the answer is 0.3. Okay, next T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is 1.2 minus T2 is 0.9 is equal to, here 1.2 minus 0.9. Here 2 minus 9 is impossible, so here 12 minus 9 is 3, and here 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, so answer is 0.3 here. Now next, T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is 1.5 minus T3 is 1.2 is equal to here 1.5 minus 1.2. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so answer is 0.3. So you can see here difference between any two consecutive terms is 0.3. So we can easily write here first term A is equal to 0.6, and common difference D is equal to 0.3 here. So here first term, that means A is equal to 0.6, and common difference D is equal to 0.3. Okay, so in this way we have solved second example of question 3 here. Now third example is very easy for you. You can easily solve it at home at your own. Okay, so example number 4 now. Yeah, the given AP is 1 upon 4, then 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4, and so on. Okay, so here first of all we have to write here T1, T2, T3 and T4. That means the first term, second term, third term and fourth term of the AP. So in the given AP, your first term, that means T1 first term T1, that means A is equal to 1 upon 4. Then here T2 means second term is equal to 3 upon 4. Then third term, that means T3 is equal to 5 upon 4, and fourth term, that means T4 is equal to 7 upon 4. Okay, so now we have to find out the difference between any two consecutive terms of the AP. So here T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 3 upon 4 minus T1 is 1 upon 4. So here the denominators are same, so we have to subtract the numerators, means 3 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 4. So here 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 4. Now here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here the answer is 1 upon 2. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is 5 upon 4 minus T2 is 3 upon 4. T2 is 3 upon 4 is equal to, here the denominators are same, so we have to subtract the numerators. That means 5 minus 3 upon 4. So here 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 4. Once again we have to divide them, means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 1 upon 2. Now next step, T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is 7 upon 4 minus T3 is 5 upon 4 is equal to, here also the denominators are same, so we have to subtract the numerators here. Okay, so here 7 minus 5 upon 4 is equal to, here 7 minus 5 is 2 upon 4. Now we have to subtract, divide here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 1 upon 2. So we can see that here T2 minus T1 is 1 upon 2. Then T3 minus T2 is equal to 1 upon 2. And also T4 minus T3 is equal to 1 upon 2. That means common difference is 1 upon 2, and the first term, that means A, is equal to 1 upon 4. So here first term of the AP, that means A is equal to 1 upon 4, and the common difference that means D is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. So in this way we have solved fourth example of question 3 of practice set 3.1, and here we have completed practice set 3.1 also. I hope you better understood it. Now next practice set is 3.2 here. In practice set 3.2, we have to find out nth term of an AP as T1, T2, T3, T4. The nth term of the AP means here Tn. Tn means nth term of the AP. So now we have to solve 3.2, practice at 3.2. Let us see how. practice set 3.2. Question 1. Question 1. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. So first example of it: 1, 8, 15, 22. 1, 8, 15, 22, and so on. So here, first of all, A is equal to, then T1 is equal to, then T2 is equal to, then T3 is equal to, then T2 minus T1 is equal to, then T3 minus T2 is equal to also, so D is equal to, okay. So now we have to solve it. The given AP is 1, 8, 15, 22, and so on. So here A means first term, that is 1 here. Let us see here, first term is 1, that means T1 is equal to also A, means T1 is equal to also 1. Then T2 means second term of the AP is 8, and T3 is equal to here, T3 is equal to here also, next term means third term of the AP is 15. Okay. So here T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 8 minus T1 is 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Now also we have to write T3 minus T2. So T3 is 15 here, minus T2 is 8. So here 15 minus 8 is 7. So the difference between any two consecutive terms is 7. That means common difference means D is equal to 7 here. Okay. Now second example is very easy. Second and fourth examples are very easy for you. You can easily solve them. Now I am showing example number 3 of question 1. Example number 3. Here example number 3, the AP is minus 3, minus 8, then minus 13, minus 18, and so on. Here first of all I have to write here T3. Here first we have to write T3 here. So T3 is equal to, then T2 is equal to, then T4 is equal to, then T1 is equal to, now T2 minus T1 is equal to, then T3 minus T2 is equal to, and then so A is equal to, and D is equal to. Now we have to solve it. In the given AP, minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18, and so on. Here T3 means third term of the AP. Here third term means 1, 2, 3. First term, second term, third term of the AP. T3 means minus 13 here, minus 13. Then T2 means first term, second term. T2 means second term of the AP is minus 8 here. Then T4, that means fourth term of the AP. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term of the AP is minus 18. And T1 means first term of the AP. First term of the AP is minus 3. Got it? Now we have to find out difference between any two consecutive terms of the AP. So here T2 minus T1. T2 is minus 8. T2 is minus 8. Here T2 is minus 8. Minus T1. T1 is here minus 3. So here minus 8 minus plus 3. So here we can see that the different signs here. So we have to subtract them. The bigger number is 8, smaller number is 3. So 8 minus 3 is here. 8 minus 3 is 5, and sign of bigger number is 8, and its sign is minus. So answer is minus 5 here. So T2 minus T1, minus 8 minus 3 is equal to minus 8, minus plus 3 is equal to minus 5. So T2 minus T1 is equal to minus 5 here. Now next T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 13 minus T2 is minus 8 here, is equal to, here minus 13 and minus plus 8 is equal to, here also I have to write the difference between them, means I have to subtract 13 minus 13 plus 8. Here different signs, so I have to subtract them. So bigger number is 13, smaller number is 8. So 13 minus 8 is 5, and the sign of bigger number is 13, and its sign is minus. So here answer is minus 5. So here we have to write now A means first term of the AP. First term means T1. So here we can see that easily. T1 is equal to minus 3. So A means first term of the AP is minus 3. And D is equal to here. D means common difference. Common difference is here minus 5. Here D is equal to minus 5. Okay, so in this way we have completed third example of first question. Means here I have shown you example number 1 and example number 3 of question 1, example number 2 and example number 4. You have to solve your own at home. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2 here. The question is decide whether following sequence is an AP. Then if so, find the 20th term of the progression. Okay, so here first of all we have to decide whether following sequence is an AP. So first of all I have to write here the given sequence. So here minus 12 minus 5, then 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. Here in the given sequence, or in this sequence, T1 is equal to minus 12, then T2 is equal to minus 5, then T3 is equal to 2, then T4 is equal to 9. In this way we can write T5 is equal to 16, then T6 is equal to 23 and T7 is equal to 30. So here now we have to find out difference between any two consecutive terms of the sequence. So here, so T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is minus 5 minus T1 is minus 12 is equal to minus 5 and minus minus plus here, so minus minus plus 12. Now you can see that the signs of the numbers is different, so here we have to subtract them. So bigger number is 12, smaller number is 5. So here 12 minus 5 is 7 and the sign is of bigger number is 12 and its sign is plus, so answer is plus 7, means positive 7. Now next, T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is 2 minus T2 is minus 5, so here is equal to 2 minus minus plus 5, so here 2 plus 5 is 7 also. Now next step, T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is here 9 minus T3 is 2, so 9 minus 2 is also 7. So here we can see that T2 minus T1 is equal to 7, then T3 minus T2 is equal to also minus 7, then T4 minus T3 is equal to also 7. That means difference between any two consecutive terms is the same, means constant. Okay, so here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So the given sequence is an arithmetic progression, means AP. Here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, so the given sequence is an AP. Okay, now we have to find out the 20th term of the progression, okay, of the AP here. So here in this AP, here A means first term is equal to here minus 12, then and common difference means D is equal to 7. So now we have to find out 20 term. So for that we have to use the formula of Tn. So now I am writing here the formula of Tn. So Tn means nth term of the AP is equal to here A plus n in bracket n minus 1 complete the bracket multiplied by D, means common difference. So this is the formula of find out Tn, means nth term of the AP. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 complete the bracket multiplied by D. So here Tn, n means here 20 term. So here we have to write also here n means 20. Okay, so here Tn means T20 is equal to T20 T20 is equal to A means here minus 12 plus in bracket n means 20, n means here 20, then minus 1 multiplied by D means here 7. Okay, so T20 is equal to here minus 12 plus 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1 is 19 multiplied by 7. So T20 is equal to here minus 12 here plus 19 multiplied by 7. So 19 multiplied by 7 is equal to here 19 multiplied by 7 means 19 sevens are 133. 19 sevens are 133. So here T20 is equal to here minus 12 plus 133, that means different sign, so we have to subtract them. as there is a rule, if the both numbers are different signs, then we have to subtract them. Means here bigger number is 133 and smaller number is 12, so we have to subtract here them. Means 133, here 133 minus 12. So here 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, and here 1. So here 121, and the sign of bigger number is 133 and its sign is plus, so here also positive, so T20 is equal to 121 here. So now we have to write in words the answer. So the 20th term, so the 20th term of the progression, so the 20th term of the progression is here 121. Okay, so here in this way we have solved second example. I hope you got it very well. So here example number 1, question 1, example 1 and 3, example second and fourth you have to solve at home, at your own. Then we have completed a second example here. Okay, now the next examples we are taking in next lecture. Now we have to stop here. Okay, so bye students.